So hello my dear friends, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today what do we have? Everything is very simple. We have $94 on our account. We're using counter channel indicator, one of my favorite ones. So now we have opened our first trade. As always, we invest our whole deposit in each trade. This will allow us to save our time and to enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. And together with this, we are using only short time period of just 1 minute. To trade as fast as possible. So the first trade was opened according to the counter channel. As you can see, current movement is upgoing, and price has already reached the middle line of the counter channel. It has already overcome the bottom of the channel. Now it's going towards the roof of the channel, and that's why we have opened buy position, predicting this uprising movement. Fine, perfect. The first trade is profitable one. Let's continue. So here guys, you can also see according to the current movement, now we're not paying attention to counter channel. However, now we're looking at MACD indicator, which we're using also today. According to the MACD, you can clearly see that price, green line in the MACD indicator is above the red one, and for us that's a strong signal that price will highly likely go down. By the way, for those who didn't know how MACD indicator works, everything is very simple. We just have two lines, green one and the red one. We should pay attention to the position of the green line, where it is. If green line is above the red one, for us that's a strong signal that the price will go up. Contrary to that situation, if the green line is below the red one, for us that's a signal that price will highly likely go down. Yes, this trade was also profitable. There was not any other choice except of this. Now let's change our investment to $330. By the way, concerning counter channel, how does it work? Everything is very simple also. We have a channel with roof and the bottom, roof and floor, and the middle line of it. If price is hitting the bottom of the channel, for example, after this it will highly likely go up towards the middle of the channel or even towards the roof of it. And contrary to that situation, if price is hitting the roof of the channel, it will highly likely reverse its movement and go down towards the middle of the channel or even towards the floor or bottom of the channel. Now we have opened sell position not according to the counter channel but according to the MACD indicator. Once again, according to it, you can clearly see that red line is below the green one. Green line is below the red one, and for us that's a strong signal that price will highly likely go down. That's why we opened that position. Okay, my friends, now what can we see here? We have open sell position according to the counter channel indicator. Now we're using it. What do we have? We have price which has already hit the roof of the channel, of the counter channel. After this, we can predict that price will go towards the middle of the channel or even lower towards the floor, the bottom of the channel. That's why we have open sell position here. Okay, so my friends, here here. The situation is very simple. We can see that price is near the strong level of resistance, and the price has already hit this resistance several times, and now we can predict that this time will be successful one for the price to overcome this resistance level, because according to the MACD indicator and divergence in the volumes, these two indicators are showing us that price and buyers have possibility to overcome this resistance level and to grow. That's why we opened buy position here, and now we're waiting for the result. Actually, my friends, I would like to tell you once again to check the description to this video. And why should you do this? Everything is very simple. In the description you will find Telegram link to my private Telegram channel, where you can get lots of useful stuff such as daily trading signals, daily analytics, and etc, etc. All these will help you to get a lot of money in the sphere of Forex and binary options. And by the way, the most important thing is that you can become a member of my VIP channel. You just need to write me a private message in the Telegram telling me that you want to become VIP. I will automatically add you to my VIP channel. This will be absolutely for free, without any payment. I don't need your money, I just need your attention. Yes, and in the VIP channel, each day I hold daily trading online sessions at the scheduled time together with my subscribers, and we earn money each day together online while we are trading. So if you want to get money each day, real money, not fake money, you can do this for free with me. All you need to just make a deposit which you want, any kind of deposit on the Quotex market, and we will trade together. You will get your money each day, I will get your feedbacks, I will get more subscribers, and this will be the most important thing for me. So these online trading sessions will help you to build first initial good deposit around $15,000, and this will be enough to continue trading on your own. Moreover, we will have skills, new experience in that sphere, and knowledge. So you will be able to work on yourself. And even after this, you have any questions concerning trading, you can always ask me about this. Always. I'll always respond to you and help you. I will be always with you all the way long in that beautiful and nice sphere of binary options and Forex trading. So now, once again, we should pay attention to the chart. We have opened USD BRL chart. What do we have here? Price is going down, and it will highly likely pass the bottom of the Keltner channel, and according to the MACD indicator it will do this. That's why, in continuation to this strong impulse movement, we have opened 3 sell positions with investment of $1,000 each one. So totally we have invested $3,000 in this trade. $3,000 I invested. Okay, so the same situation according to the MACD indicator. Green line is below the red one. For us, that's a signal to open sell positions, and we did it. Once again, we opened 3 sell positions with investment of $1,000 each one, and that's it. Okay, so now, according to the MACD indicator, green line is above the red one. For us, that's a signal to buy. That's why we have opened 3 buy positions with investment of $1,000 each. So totally we have invested one more time $3,000. 3,000 are invested. Okay guys, splendid, perfectly done. You can clearly see that we have earned around $9,000. However, we just started with $94 on the account. This result is quite good. It's not perfect for me, but it's quite good. Around 1000% within just, I don't know, 10 minutes. That's quite good. That's quite good for today. So, my friends, if you want to do the same results or even better, you can do this. You can do this yourself. There is nothing surprising in that. There is nothing magical in that. That's real work. That's real business that can do each of you, each guy in the world who at least have, I don't know, $10 for its account. His or her, deposit. Anyway, I will be always open to you, and I will always ask and I will always answer on all of your questions. So don't waste your time. Don't lose this opportunity, because I'm the only one who is providing such stuff on the internet. No one on the YouTube can do this. I would like to wish you a good day, happy day, and successful day. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.